come and show you how to make some passive income through creating a design and putting it on a t-shirt, bag, hats, whatever you choose, and whatever they have at the website. I did this a few years ago. This method still makes me money currently. So I wanted to show you a quick way how you can also just create some passive income for yourself. What you're gonna need for this video is that you're gonna need an account with Canva. I know, I'm always talking about Canva. You guys are gonna love it. If you're not already on it, definitely sign up for it completely free. There's also a account you're gonna need with Teesprings. Teesprings is who you're gonna actually transfer your design over to so that you can sell. They will be the manufacturers of your product, right? So they will be the people who are going to create it, put your design on whatever item you select, your bag, your hat, your shirt, and then they're going to ship it to your client. It's super easy, you guys. So stick around if that's what you want to learn. I will show you here how I am currently doing this on my site. You, after creating the site, you can sell it straight through Teesprings, or you can promote it on an Etsy shop. So if you want to log on and get yourself an Etsy shop, if you are, and then I sell it from the website. So here you guys go. Thank me later. If you think you're going to do this, certainly just jump down in the comments. Let me know how it goes. This is likely going to be a voiceover as well, just so that I can show you. I don't currently have a way to show you how to do it from my computer. I'm working on that, y'all. I got to figure that one out. But in the interim, I'll show you how to do it on the phone because it's super, super easy. But again, this process is going to be a little better if you actually have a computer, because then you can kind of sit with it, create it, do all of the things much easier than on your small phone, but it still can be done on the phone. So here we go. Okay, you guys, you go into Canva and then you try to get a blank poster. The size doesn't particularly matter, but you do want to just get a blank poster. You are going to create this poster to the design of your liking. So you can put your company's name here. You can put a cute slogan there. In this example, I am showing you guys just a quick design. You can spend hours on your design, or you can spend minutes like you'll see here with mine. I have selected some hearts and just like a very kind phrase. And we are going to move it over to transfer it over in Teesprings. We are going to just kind of pick out font and those sort of things first. The most important part here is going to be saving your design as a transparent background. If you have elected to do white on your poster page, you may not see this up front, but doing it transparent will allow you to transfer the design onto your item. Next, you're just going to sign up for your Teespring account. I think it's technically called Spring or something now. But if you type in Teespring, it will bring you to this website. You do a login, and then you start to drop in your designs into their items. The great part about Teespring is that you can drop the same item into your, on a t-shirt, on a cup, on a bag, on a hat, your design, wherever you want it to go. You just drop that transparent image onto that design. You can see here I'm pulling it from my photos, and then you get to pick what you want to sell the item for. Teespring will give you a suggested amount, and it will also show you your profit of what you'll make. But you certainly want to select something that will be meaningful if you will have to actually make a profit off of it. So Here is your beautiful t-shirt with your company's name or your great slogan on it, and then decide what you want to sell it for. And voila, here is your items that you are able to sell. Happy selling, you guys. Also, you guys, don't forget to subscribe. We will love to have you over here as a part of our gang. Hit that like button and notifications for when I upload new videos. See you soon.